You should download this app. It's called the Car Crush Build. You know what the game Car Crush Felix is the realistic game which contain an ad and fake games that were download forced me download, and this one is the realistic one. It's a better than the BNG drive. It's available on the on a world on a Android. It's for Android user and Apple user. It's good for iPhones. It, it doesn't lag at all. It's very good and nice, realistic pickup. It does have a lot of. It does only have 3 cars. That's not that lot. And the suspension of this pickup truck is very good, and the rotation very nice, cool, and destroying demolition cool cars. Look at this, bro. Look at the Hilux, bro. I think that's a Ford or this Isuzu. IZUSU. Isuzu. Isuzu. It's a it's a good off-roading Malaysian car, or even Thailand favorite car. Even Toyota Hilux. It's Thailand the most favorite Hilux car. Isuzu D-Max also known as the most favorite car on the Thailand. The reason why that's why how the Malaysian car got popular. Before we crash, let's test the maximum speed. It's like only 100. Not gonna lie, you can do some drift. You can even record some stuff. It's anti-lag, non-laggy, very realistic and cool physics that you can crash anything. You can crash some car, crash some stuff. You can crash some cars or pickup truck. The most favorite thing about this game, there's a lot of car. There's only cheap car, and the Hilux has an epic suspension. You can hold everything, but doesn't count. At least I have a phone that doesn't have any anti-lagging. You crash it badly. Let me check on my Wi-Fi just. Crash it badly. Wait.